Yesterday evening, I was planning for make a video for my main channel, but in English because I, always use my language in my videos only in Hindi for my main channel. But I was, supposed to make a video since morning at my room, but I was getting late. This is why making video at my room. I prefer to just start at the courtroom because I am, you can see, in my chamber because I am a lawyer by profession. This is why I am just practicing of English speaking, and this is the another day of English speaking because I am getting better day by day because I think in a different way. If you are just worrying about your fluency and if you are just thinking you are not getting better in your English fluency, you are thinking like you are getting stuck. And this, there are so many reasons you are feeling stuck at your language at any point of level. But if you practice daily without thinking about you are getting stuck or something, you are just on your journey because this is not a kind of syllabus so that you can cover within months or few days. You can't complete your this syllabus of English speaking because this is a vast syllabus. You have to create a environment to speak in English because I always in a different kind of scenarios like if I am using my mobile, instead of say to this in Hindi, I prefer to say in English. Each and everything that's are surrounded by me, I have to name that things into English only. For example, you can see this is the cable and this is the charger. You can see this is the electricity output, and you can see the switches and you can see the outlets, and you can see this is the board, and these are the if I say to you these are the clipping pins. So I always name these kinds of if you think like these things are super easy to speak, and you think like, okay, what can I improve if I can pronounce it in English, or if you can speak in English, how can you get better? Trust me, if you are not just practicing daily, you are not getting better because English is a kind of, I am talking about the spoken English. Spoken is a kind of skill you will get only by speaking. If you are not speaking daily, you are not getting better. Now I am just sitting on my chair, you can see. So I am just I just said to you, I am sitting on my chair. This is also a helpful sentence for me to think in English because when it's time to speak with people, most people, get stuck. You know why? Because they didn't practice enough. If you don't practice enough, then how can you expect from yourself to get exactly what you want to say at the same point of time? At that time you need to speak that sentence, but you didn't have practice. How can you expect from yourself to speak better and don't get stuck at that sentence? You will definitely going to stuck because you didn't have practice. This is why there is a quote, practice makes a man perfect. This is the a kind of quote that is really effective, and that is true because if you practice daily, I'm not even talking about the you can apply this each and every goal, whatever you have, whatever you achieve, whatever you want to achieve in your life, you just start apply this code. If you practice, you will definitely going to be better at that in the same direction you are making practice. So it is all about till now because it's, if I talk about the date is 8th of April 2026. And if I talk about what I did today, because there is a program in the Saket Court, that is Eid Milan program at the ground floor, and I am at the eighth floor. I am making this video at my chamber. And if I talk about the program is running, and you can see the sound if you can, because I don't think so you are just getting clear sound or not, but yes, I am getting the sound from the program. You can, because there is a program of Eid Milan. It's not Eid today, it's not Eid today, but yes, there is a program of Eid Milan. And after that program, dinner is there. So I'm not sure I will be going to get dinner or not, but yes, I'm thinking if I will, going to leave the Saket Court or heading to the, my room. If program will be there, then I will join. Otherwise, I'm not going to join the dinner or program, because I have so many, so many kinds of, work to deal with. I have to, drafting, and I have to, there are so many miscellaneous work. So I have to, complete by today itself. So from today, I will, make kind of blog in English only, because English, if you are just thinking about to make video in English, your mind automatically start working in the background. If your mind working in the background, this is really best thing for you to learn as soon as your mind gather the most of English words in English. So it is all about it now, and I'm just going to show you, because my mobile was about to die. This is why I put my mobile on the charge, and yes, I just plug out my charger, you can see, and I am just going to carry this charge into my pocket of the coat. And now I am just going to, because there is no one in my chamber, you can see I am all alone who are working in my chamber, and intern and the associates and my senior from the morning, or I can say since morning, he was in Faridabad court. And if I talk about my day, yes, I was talking about my day. So in the morning there was two matter listed for the day. One was at the courtroom number 3, and another one was the courtroom number 512. So I attended both of these matter. I got the dates, and yes, other submission I have made in the both cases today. And if I talk about tomorrow I didn't have any case, but I don't know if the cases will be there of my senior. So I will definitely going to attend the cases if it could be of my senior. So it is all about till now, and I am just pretending to be fluent in English through my all videos, because if I don't pretend to be fluent, then how can I make myself, and how can I say to myself like you have to be fluent as soon as possible. Because if I don't say to myself to get fluency as soon as possible, how can I make video, and how can I make blog in public in English? Because I can make video and make blogs in English. It is easy to make video in English, but when it's time to make mistake, because sometimes we all make mistakes, and I also make mistake, but I allow myself to make mistakes so that I can cure my mistakes. After knowing this, okay, in this sentence I make mistakes, so yes, I have to cure this mistake in this way. Because if you don't know in which sentence you are making mistakes, then how can you cure? This is why it is, necessary for all to recognize your mistakes. And how you can recognize your mistake? By doing mistakes. And how you can, do mistakes? By practice. If you are practicing, you will get to know at which kind of, portion you are weak, in which you are weak. And by practice you will get to know grammatical portion in which you are weak, or vocabulary, or any, kind of thing in writing, listening, reading, writing, whatever it may be. But if you are not just practicing, you will not going to be better. If you want to get better, you have to practice daily, like I, do, always, without any break, and without breaking my consistency, and without skip any day. Even sometimes I forgot to upload. I forget, not forgot, because forgot means I am talking about my past. I forget because I am talking about my habit, a kind of habit, not it's a, you know actually habit. But yes, if I talk about, I forget sometimes to upload video on time. This is what I make. Sometimes I forget to make, or I forget to upload video on YouTube on time. But I make each and every day. I practice each and every day. I didn't, forget this. I didn't forget this, to practice each and every day. So I am just going to the ground floor to attend the, program, and let's see the program is still running or not. I'll see you. I don't think I will see you there, because I feel so shy when, this is why I don't make video in public. But yes, I am going to go. I am going to go there to, let's see it's running or not.